OneVision is a Germany-based company which is roughly 30 years on the market, and starting with PDF workflow, at that point of time known as a PDF washing machine, we invested in the last years a lot into workflow solutions for different market segments. So our real added value that we can bring to the whole area of printing is that in these times currently production companies fear a lot of challenges and problems. Mainly in the area of too less time to produce the stuff, errorless work, margin pressure. So every time an operator double clicks a file, margin is lost. So for that reason, OneVision is there in conjunction with Canon to have an end-to-end workflow. So really automate the workflow as soon as the job starts to enter the production workflow until it goes to the devices, the printing devices from Canon, or the finishing devices like, for example, a Synth cutter. We are especially delighted about the partnership with Canon because Canon and OneVision, that's a natural fit. Especially if you look at the Colorado series of the Canon printers, this is one of the perfectest printer for automated workflow. Because this printer can print for a long time, fully automated, without any attention. So ideal for automation workflow. So for us, the partnership with Canon is a really win-win situation, and we are looking forward for the next years to extend it.